Hi, I'm Keith Kyle with This is Sotheby's International Realty. Today I wanted to take you on a quick tour of a residence one floor plan in the row. These are 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhomes with about 1,550 square feet. So have a look around and I hope it gives you some idea of the layout of these great units in 360 South Bay. So as you walk in the entryway door, the plan one has a landing area. Most people use it sort of as a pseudo mudroom. What people really love about this layout is that it is very open, a big open living room, opens to the dining area, opens to the kitchen, so people really like this floor plan as you can do a lot with the space. Most people will have it set up just like this, where they'll have the TV on that wall. Good sized couch. Now this is a very upgraded unit, but the layout is certainly the same as usual. So they have their dining area. Stairs down to the garage. So this particular floor plan has very high ceilings, which gives it nice light from the front. Again, this is a very upgraded kitchen, but it gives you an idea of the spaces. Half bath powder room off to the right. And again, you can see how it's just a real nice open layout. As we walk back towards the front, get another glimpse of the entryway. And then off to the left are the stairs up to the 2 bedrooms. So as you get to the top of the stairs, you can see that there's a landing that goes to the 2 bedrooms. The very top of the stairs, in this specific layout, you have stackable washer and dryer. You come to the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. It is dual masters, however, so you do have bathrooms in each. Again, very high ceilings. This ceiling's been upgraded, but high ceilings, great light in here. And you have a full bath. And we will walk back towards the master. So in this layout, it's definitely, the master is quite a bit larger than the other bedroom. Very high ceilings again. Again, this is certainly upgraded, but the general layout's fairly typical of 360. Shower and tub on the right, dual vanities on the left, a little bit of a storage area, nice walk-in closet. This one has custom shelving, but they all have the same size closet. Toilet, water closet. Then you go back towards the bedroom.